Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you this custom MOC I've made. Just do a review on it. It's my lovely mountain setting I've got right here with a bunch of slope pieces, and on the back has some white pieces on the back so that I don't waste all my green pieces just for building nothing that we don't really need. So I'm gonna show you the mountain bit by bit. So first we have the mountain snowy area, the snowy part of the mountain. Got one small tree over here made of cones. And then we have the mountain slopes, which is green slope pieces. And also we have a few unique pieces here, like a 1x3 slope. Then this twig was used for a dead tree. And obviously it's removable. I have this little tree right here. That goes right there. And then I have this little slope, which is supposed to be a pathway for microfigs. So if you have microfigs, you can just put them up this pathway. I guess that's really it for my MOC build. There's nothing much to it, but it's a simple scenic build. And I'm gonna probably use this for some other things. So for example, I might make other videos for scenes and then stitch them together, starting with this mountain, so that we can start to get a little mini setting going on over here. So this is probably going to be the first of many parts, but this is what I have so far. So comment down below if you want to see more of these types of builds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!